see me. No! 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 Shit! I can pick it up. Keep going. Look at me. Good luck at me.
It's gonna be. Calm the fuck down.
We're playing in my old video. No, you gotta look at the TV. Stupid. No, just use it like an open.
I'm not fucking holding it. I'm playing. Fuck
like
you.
This. You don't need to play. You just take 30 minutes. Pause on your timeout. No, keep recording. Is he recording? No, you fucking retard. Stop.
Do you have a headband?
I'll do it. Okay, niggas. We joining this party. I used to hear my friend's party. It's a gamer tag. I'm gonna join the party. We playing the Xbox.
This is gay.
Fucking. Hey!
Let's just play for a little while. Then we'll...
Shut the fuck! Fuck you.
Give me my phone.
Hold on. I gotta play the game. I wanna play a game. I'm playing my overdue. Shut the fuck up.
I gotta play Black Ops. This game sucks.
Black Ops is for pussies. Got 10 friends on.
Oh, state sucks. Back out.
Shut the fuck up. Who that? What the fuck is this shit?
Shut up.
Fuck you.
Alright, go ahead. Alright. Here it comes.
Shut the fuck up. Fucking pussy bitches. Fuck you.
Who the fuck is this guy? Who is it to?
About drama.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Alright, I'm ready again.
Are you ready?
Fire sale.
Hey, bad drama. Suck on my dick. Suck on my dick. Ick.
Hey man, will you kick this dude out of the party, please?
Hey, your mama is so fucking hairy. When you were born, you died of rug burn. It takes your daddy your daddy is like motherfucking cement. It takes him 2 days to get hard, my nigga. Black Thunder? The fuck is this?
Who the fuck is this dude, man?
It's your daddy.
Kick that motherfucker, please.
You kick me, I'm a fucking haunt you. I got your IP address. I know ya. Oh, you fuck. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, it made me mad. It made me mad.